Leader of opposition in the Khadc, Titos Tawel Khan, on Wednesday has suggested the executive committee to challenge the recent order of the High Court of Meghalaya to allow the district courts of the state government to trial cases between two tribals. While taking part in the general discussion on the budget on the final day of the council's summer session, Khan said that the order of the court is a setback to the council since the cases between two tribals are being adjudicated by the district council court. He also recalled that the state government had assured that there will be no infringement in the jurisdiction of the district council court while issuing a notification for extending the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 CRPC and the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 CCP to all courts in the state. In his reply, Deputy CMPN's aim assured that the executive committee will pursue with the state government on the matter. He also said that the EC will also consult the legal experts if they can appeal the order of the High Court.
The